How you doing there? Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar, and today we're going to be learning a very cool blues classic by a guy named Slim Harpo. I discovered this song through the fabulous Thunderbirds, where Jimmy Vaughn was on guitar, who is Stevie Ray Vaughan's brother. And when I first heard the song, I just knew I had to do it. It's such a cool tune, so fun to play, not hard. And it's also going to teach you some hybrid picking, a very simple way of playing hybrid picking. And of course, what I thought was really cool about it as well, and what's very fun for me to play, is the rooster. I never heard that on the guitar, and when I heard it, I thought, wow, this is so cool, so fun. So, right, the rooster sound. So I'm going to teach you the rooster, I'm going to teach you the chord progression, everything you need to know to play this tune. For my all-access members, for you guys, of course, I'm going to have this tabbed out. If you're not yet an all-access member, don't worry. There's a free 7-day trial. You can get all of the courses I've ever created, plus all of the extra tabs to my lessons. And also, if you don't want to do any of that, I have a picture chord book that it's going to teach you how to master the guitar fretboard that's totally for free. You can just go download that for free if you want to. The link for that is above or below me. Okay, without any further ado, let's get into this lesson. Let's check out this very cool tune. I will see you there. See you at the close-up. All right, bye-bye. Alrighty, so welcome to the close-up. Let's get right into it. So we are basically playing blues here, right? We're playing the E. That's starting on the E note. Then we're going to the A. And then it goes to a B, right? Back to the A, back to the E, right? Okay, so we're thinking blues more or less, and the way it's going to go is on the E part, we're going to play the note, the 2nd fret, 4th string. We're going to play that note all alone once, and then we're going to slide into the 6th fret. So that's, and then we're going to slide in the 6th fret, and then with my first finger, I'm going down to the 5th fret, 2nd string. So that's, and then with my middle finger, I'm going to hybrid pick that. So, see that? Okay, so bum, bum, bum. And then we're going to go back to the 4th fret, right? So this shape stays the same, just we go to the 4th fret, and then we go back to this note we started on. So all together really slowly. See, I slide in, and then with my middle finger, I play that note. So, and then for here, for this next one, I'm pinching. So I'm using the pick for the 4th string, right? And my middle finger for the 2nd string. So, okay, so that's the first phrase, right? So, bum, 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 bum. And now the second phrase is slightly different, even though we're playing the same notes, okay? So the first one is bum, 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 bum. And the second one is just this bum, bum, bum. So, bum, 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 bum. So it's bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, bum. The timing is slightly different, okay? So let me play it for you slowly a couple of times. And once you've got that under your fingers, then the rest of this is going to be easy, right? Okay, so a couple more times, really slow. Bum. Bum, 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 bum. Right? So here, play it twice. Bum, 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 bum. And then now the second time I only play it. Right? Okay, so listen to that a couple of times, try to get it into your ear, play around with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just kind of get that under your fingers and try to get that into your ear, okay? So that this whole thing on this E, this bum, ba bum, ba bum, ba bum, bum, happens twice. So on the E, it happens twice. Bum, 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 bum. So that whole sequence happens 2 times. And then when we go to the A, which starts here on the 7th fret, we're only going to play that sequence once. So now we're going from the 7th fret into the 11th fret, and then back down to the 9th fret, and then back to the 7th fret. So bum. See that? So that whole sequence, that bum, ba bum, ba bum, ba bum, bum, only happens once when we start from the note A, right? This is the note E, this is the note A. Okay, so all together really slowly starting on the E, okay? So bum. Down to the A. Back to E, one time now. Okay, so now when we go to the 5 chord, which is the B, if we're playing in the key of E, it's an E blues, right? When we go to the 5 chord, we're going to go to the 9th fret, and now we're going to slide into the 13th fret with our middle finger, and then back to the 11th fret. Okay, so bum. And then we're only going to do that once, and then we're going to go back to the A, and then it goes back to E. Bum. So starting on the B sequence, when we get to the B, we only play half of that sequence. So that bum, ba, bum, ba, is going to happen on the B, and then the rest of it, so bum, ba, bum, bum. Then we go to the A for the rest of that, bum, ba, bum, bum, right? So let me play it for you so it makes sense. So let me play the whole thing so it makes sense, okay? So to the A, back to the E. Now we go to the B. See, we only do that bum, 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 and then we go to the A, bum, 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 bum. So we play the second half of it on the A. Okay, so see that? And then back to E. And then that's where the chord progression ends and then starts over, okay? So it might be a little bit confusing now, but once you've got these shapes under your fingers and you've listened to the tune enough, it'll start to make sense, okay? So I'm also going to play it a couple more times now for you so you can see how it all fits together, and then we're gonna do the rooster, okay? So check it out. So again, that sequence on the E, the first time we play it twice, then we go to A, we play it once, we go back to the E, we play it once, then we go to the B, we play the sequence half. So half of the sequence is on B, the other half is again on A, and then it goes back to E once, okay? So don't worry, we're gonna play it now slowly, okay? So see that? Starting over. one more time really slow. So. See that? Okay. All right, so again, take it slowly. If you're an all-access member, you're gonna have the tab. Don't worry. If you're not, there's a 7-day trial. Just join the trial, get the tab, see what's inside. Maybe you'll wanna stay, maybe you'll wanna cancel. Both are fine, okay? Okay, so now let's get into the rooster. So that was the chord progression. Let's get into the rooster. So the rooster is like this. So we're gonna be on the 15th fret, second string, and then we're gonna play it. Okay, so the way I'm getting the sound is I'm playing the note, and then I'm releasing it right away. 1 second, let me make sure that my camera is focusing here. So I'm playing the note, and then I'm releasing pressure instantly. I'm not leaving the string, I'm just releasing pressure so that the note stops ringing, okay? So okay, so you're gonna do it as many, you're gonna have to kind of feel it out how many times to play it. Right? So, and then to get the rooster sound, we're gonna go to the 17th fret very quickly. And then we're gonna bend up just a little bit and then choke out the note. So we're gonna do a bend up and then quiet the strings. You're not gonna bend and then go back down, you're just gonna bend and quiet, right? So, see that? Right? And that's how you get the rooster sound. So that was really fun for me. Very cool little party trick you can do. Also a cool little, you know, thing you can do when you're soloing. It's a cool trick, right? Okay, so that's about that. I hope that this lesson made sense. I hope you enjoyed watching. Again, if you're an all-access member, just go into the lesson of the week. You'll be able to download the tab. If you're not a member, check out the 7-day trial. It's inside, again, the lesson of the week part of the membership. And also, if you don't want to do any of that, then just go download the free picture chord book. There's 42 pages of picture chords in there, and it's really going to help you master the fretboard the easy way. All right, my name's Henry Olsen. If you like this lesson, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon with another lesson very soon. All right, hope you liked the lesson. See you later. Bye-bye.